Hello there, YouTube world. This is Spy Money. And there are many people that ask me, how did you know that that price was going to go to that particular area? Well, these are zones that I draw out, and I use a method that I teach in my Chart Like a Pro course on my website. And you can see my website at spymoneyllse.com. It's right there. You see that right there. Go there. There's a link in the description as well. And the course I go over how I found these, and I found these ahead of time. As you can see, I have three right here that we could potentially go to. More than likely, what I see going to happen Sunday and Monday is we're going to pull back to right here, and when we pull back to there, then I'll make new zones out once we get the final move. Right now, it looks like we could actually go to here or to here pretty easy, but this is more than likely where we will end up going. And it's actually revisiting this particular congestion that we had. There's a lot of range buyers and sellers and so forth. But more than likely, we're going to go there. We could easily pull back on down to the bottom of this zone. If we do, then our zone will be moved down a little bit. But for right now, that's where I see us going. And it may be right here, but as far as it may just shoot straight up right here. But this is a zone, and I would say normally a pullback is at an angle like that, pretty close, probably more like this. So if you did a zone or a pullback there, this could easily be to right there. Okay, so we'll probably end up coming down to the bottom of this one and then come on up. But this will give us an idea of where we go. Now, when you're buying and selling, how do you do it? What do where do you do it? So right here, we come out of this zone. When we come out, we would put our limit order in there. And let's get this a little bigger so you can see it. We would go ahead and put our limit buy right there, and we'd put our stop down below this zone. If it goes ahead and comes back into zone, we're okay with that. But if we come out, we need to be out of this trade because it could easily tank. So when it comes back up and breaks through, we could get in a limit buy there. So we would go ahead and go long here, and then our profit would be at this level here. It went on up in there, which is fine. We just want to be there. A lot of times I will put one tick underneath that zone because sometimes it won't hit. Like if we come back over here, we went right up to it and just barely touched it. So this one, would have been, if you'd had it right on the zone and didn't go one tick through, you would not have made it. Same with right here. See, we didn't actually go down into the zone. We pulled back to it, but not completely in it. So your zones are not 100% accurate. They are very, very close. As you can see, the zones that I have drawn out, they actually hit. This one right here, I didn't have it drawn out. It did actually pull back onto it, and I guess it would have hit right here, but we didn't get this one down here. So we would have stopped out or sold right here if we were in a short. We would have sold right there, and it did move more, so you're not always going to catch the full move. What you're trying to do is catch the biggest portion of the move. Like this one here, when it broke through, your limit would have been about right here, and then your stop would have been right one tick underneath the zone. So if you would have got tagged in for a long there, you would have stopped there, and then you would end up going short here, and you would have had your limit there, your profit target to get out. So you can pick a lot of moves on this. I mean, this particular one, 43.65, and it went all the way down to 36. So you're looking about 28, 29 points that you would have got there. 20 points would have been $1,000 per contract on ES. So, and this system that I use works on all instruments. It'll work on equities. It works on futures, bonds, whatever. This will work fine with it. So get the course. It's Chart Like a Pro. I will put a link to the course in the description below so that you will know how to do this. Another thing that we're doing today is we're doing training in the VIP trading room, and there will be a link to that how to purchase that, and it's a monthly subscription. I do live trading Monday through Friday. I also do education in it and a lot of other things. So I'll put a link to the description. You can read about it and sign up. If you sign up today before the first training, which is at 10 o'clock, you will get that recorded so you can watch it later. If you do not, only the people that are members will get that recording. So check us out. Let me know what I can do to make your trading life better. We have a lot of different courses to do with futures options, futures contracts, do equity options, and a lot of different training with the courses as far as in learning how to chart and things like that. A lot of different things in there. Before you buy, touch base with me. Let me know what you're looking at. Maybe we can put a package together, make it a little bit less money, or maybe what you're looking at is not quite what you want. So we want to make sure that you're buying what you need and not just buying a bunch of stuff. Sure, it would be nice if you bought every course I have, but you don't necessarily need all those courses. We got to figure out where you are right now and how you know how to, what you do know how to do, and then we can go from there. So I will see you on the next one. I will be on here more often. I'll try to do daily YouTube videos from now on, and let me know if you need anything. Have a great day.